Shamarani.
Sudevi has a question.
So Sudevi will ask, are you attorney of Sudevi?
Shiva Gurudev, I missed some Gayatri. Do I have to do something special?
Why miss?
When she was getting the baby, she
ও
wasn't
যখন বাচ্চা হয়েছিল কয়দিন গায়ত্রী জপ করে নাই, মন্ত্র জপ করে নাই।
so she missed 4 days.
No harm. No harm.
In special case, it is no problem.
But you can chant name, but not Gayatri, when you are impure.
My question, Gurudev, is how to get desire for bhakti. That I want to gain bhakti.
Serve Vaishnava, fully, totally,
बोला है आइए।
with whole energy, they will give.
आइए
They are
पूछिए।
very merciful, they will give.
आप पूछिए।
Otherwise, no way.
मधु मथुरा जन्माष्टमी कैसे मनाते हैं कुछ?
I have a question.
वो कहाँ गए?
कौन?
लाल कपड़े वाले?
बलराम प्रभु
हाँ?
is here.
Boloram? Boloram is here?
Balaram.
पूछो अंग्रेजी में।
Two Balarams now.
বলছে দুটো বলরাম হয়ে গেল এখানে।
Oh,
যে বিকাশ ছিল তার নাম বলরাম দিয়েছেন।
के विकास?
আজকে আসে না এখানে।
बालादेव जो मेरे साथ रहता है।
He lives in the farm.
तो हमको तो
তো বলদেব করে দিলে হবে।
Baladev.
তো বিকাশ নাম হইলে বলদেব, নো প্রবলেম।
One white Balaram, one black Balaram. No.
And one cow also Balaram.
Yes.
very Ramarao.
Ram Rao Prabhu.
Now you know what is Raganuga and what
রাগাত্মিক।
is Rupanuga and what is Ragatmika. Oh, Balram Prabhu, you should tell
What is
what is
Raganuga?
Raganuga, what
कैसे
is
मनाते हैं? अंग्रेजी में
Rupanuga
पूछेंगे।
and what is Ragatmika. Is there a difference or no difference?
There is difference,
Difference.
yes,
Both are rag.
yes, but
Then how different?
the Rupanugas, they're specifically in the line of Srila
No.
Rupa Goswami.
Rupanug
After.
give up. Only Raganuga and
Ragatmika.
Ragatmika.
Ragatmika is there in
Well.
the world, in the spiritual world.
Huh?
That,
Ragatmika is
স্পিরিচুয়াল
the
ওয়ার্ল্ড,
uppercut.
অপ্রকট লীলা, স্পিরিচুয়াল ওয়ার্ল্ড।
and the other one is here, in this world, following in that line.
About same thing.
No, they're just following in that line. And the mood of that.
Raganuga is following.
they are doing bhajan sadhan.
You should know that in the beginning, anyhow, by the mercy of Guru Gauranga, Vaishnava, if you have a greed to serve Radha Krishna, serve like Sakha, Siddham Subal, like Nanda Jashoda Vasalyava, and Madhur like Gopis. Any of these, if you have greed by their mercy, and if you are so lucky, then whether you are full of unearths, whether you are what? Vyabhichari,
লুজ ক্যারেক্টার।
lose character even. All other things may be unearthed. But if you begin to follow, then you are Raganuga. At that time he is even not sadhak, so much unearth may be, but he will be called what? Raganuga. But in beginning, very beginning stage. And those who are Siddha, nothing to do any sadhan, their rasa cannot be changed. They are called Ragatmika.
Eternal associate.
So एक साधक, one siddha. So different, so very, very different.
Heaven and earth, more than that.
Ragatmik, those people also can be here in the material world? Can they be here?
Ragatmika,
What is it?
Ragatmika Jnan, they can be in this world.
With the Siddha Deha?
No, they can come with Krishna for sweet pastimes.
If Krishna send, they will come, otherwise not.
But those who are realized the Siddha Deha in the material world, can they be called Ragatmikas?
They
No.
can come only with Krishna to serve Krishna. And if Krishna will give order that you should go like my representative,
He is asking,
That if anyone has got realization that he has got Ragatmika Bhakti on this earth,
Siddha, if he is perfect.
is he Siddha?
now he is asking Ramarao Prabhu, if someone is realized they are Siddha Deha, are they called Ragatmik Bhakta or not?
no,
I told no.
never.
And Gurudev,
He is practicing even now. All unearth has been not removed.
Gurudev, the
Even he has achieved rati or bhav, he is not Siddha Ragatmika. When he will take birth in Braja as a gopi or gop and serving Krishna, still he is not Ragatmik. After that, Jog Maya will give her
Name.
birth and everything in Aprakrit Golok. There he will be Ragatmik.
Even if Ragatmik John come in this world and practicing bhajan, how we can recognize him? Is he Ragatmik or not?
Or you cannot.
Not possible to
Only
recognize him.
Raganuga, high class of Vaishnava, they can realize. There are some symptoms. There are some symptoms.
What is the symptom?
Oh, Shanti, Abhyakta Kalatang, Viraktir, Manashunyata, Asha Bandha, Samutkantha, Nam Gane, Sadaruchi, Asakti Tad Gunakyane,
Priti tad basati sthale.
Tale,
इत्यादि अनुभव सुजत भावांकुरे जने.
भाव का अंकुर जब होगा,
If the
beginning.
sprout of bhav,
and जब भाव हो जाएगा तो और ऊपर चले. There are some. If anyone may tell that I have prayed, I have taken darshan of Krishna. So many persons coming to me and telling, I have seen Krishna, he has given darshan.
and
Some say,
Siddha
you
Nam.
are bogus and foolish.
And so many told Siddha, Krishna in dream given Siddha Nam.
yes. Also in reality.
All are bogus.
And so Siddha is giving.
There are symptoms. If anyone will take darshan of Krishna, really, he cannot have this body. Cannot, never, never. At once everything will be changed. Transcendental body will come.
So Gurudev, do we recognize the acharyas in our line, coming from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's time until present? We generally, we recognize them that they have descended down from
Because Kavi Karnapur Goswami, he has given the names of here, those who were the associates of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, like Ra Ramananda, what? Vishakha, Sarup Damodar,
Lalita.
Srivas Pandit, Narad. They are given top to bottom all the names. So they are Ragatmik, but they are pretending to be a sadhu.
Then after Mahaprabhu's time, for 500 years, coming down in our Acharya Varga, so we can consider any of them also as
all
Ragatmika?
are not like equal.
Uh-huh.
Bhakti Vinod Thakur is told
Satchit Ananda.
what? Gadadhar
Kamalanja.
Pandit.
Aye.
Kamala Malayali.
Hare
Gaur
Krishna.
Shakti Swarupai.
Others, how we can tell? Who was Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj?
Hello.
Any name?
We are
So
speaking
there
with
are some
others.
differences.
Gurudev.
और भी एक बात,
We are speaking others in class.
in Mathura,
We are speaking in
we
morning class.
what?
You can try.
हम लोग ये करते हैं,
Mathura.
जन्माष्टमी मनाते हैं. ऑब्जर्व जन्माष्टमी. How we call all the top of what? Singers,
Yeah.
top of.
From,
Those who
from radio station, from television.
radio station here, there.
Professional.
Top of
They are very
whole
professional.
pressure.
Professional singers.
Professional singers also.
Tabla.
Tabla.
And what is that name?
So many,
Definitely.
Tafli.
so many instruments they know.
And they bring an
All-
instrument
So
also.
many top of Vidwan. And
It's called
Learned scholar, learned scholar.
like Sapta Acharya. He is one.
One Acharya only. Yes, title one Acharya. Their title seven Acharya. they
Seven
give.
Acharya.
All are
Puran,
PhD.
Kavya, Vedanta,
न्याय व्याकरण.
Nyaya, Vyakarana,
सप्ताचार्य
Chanda.
सब सात विशेष आचार्य के
Oh,
धुरंधर
you know?
पंडित है वासुदेव भूषण चतुर्वेदी
Chaturvedi.
Yes.
वासुदेव भूषण चतुर्वेदी सेवेंथ आचार्य
ब्रज में क्या सारे यूपी में वैसा विद्वान नहीं है.
इंडिया में सप्ताचार्य मिलेगा
इंडिया
नहीं
में भी
Hmm.
उसको ये मिला है, पुरस्कार
कितना
मिला.
पुरस्कार है कितना
वाचस्पति या क्या
बहुत बहुत
अद्भुत, ऐसा विद्वान नहीं है. और जैसे आप उच्चारण करते हैं संस्कृत भाषा में बोलना,
वो तो
ब्रज में
धुरंधर
कोई
पंडित
उससे
है
बोल नहीं सकता.
इतना धुरंधर पंडित है ना
और हमको